Welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. In this episode, I'll be unboxing our August 2020 glove box while demonstrating the amazing products that are included. All coming up on this episode. Okay, first before we start talking about the products that are included in this month's box, boom, 1967 Ford Bronco. I know there's been a lot of talk about the Broncos with the 2021 being released next year. So I want to hear your thoughts. Are you more for the classic, vintage, older school Bronco or for the new Broncos? Comment below, let us know. First off, with Rocket Wax, we have their wheel cleaner. Safe on all rims. One good point I want to mention about this is this product can be diluted 50-50 depending on the rims. These chrome rims like this, my desired dilution is going to be half water, half product. So this 16-ounce bottle will essentially make you 2 bottles. So think about that when you're using the products, if they are able to be diluted or not. So boom, dilute this 50-50. Now, cool to the touch. Not hot. I didn't just go for a drive. My rim's not super hot, so I want this cool to touch out of direct sunlight. I am going to spray the rim, 3-4 sprays, depending on how much brake dust that you have on there. I'm gonna let it sit. I did not rinse my rim first. I'm just gonna spray it on there, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then rinse off. It's that easy. For rims that have a lot of brake dust buildup, you can use a wheel brush, agitate the cleaner a little bit just to help it do its thing, and then rinse off. And then you can repeat if necessary. So agitation with a brush, you can use one of our past brushes that are also available on our store, or just use your wheel brush that you use during your normal maintenance washes. Speaking of washes, next, from SONAX, we have their Actifoam Energy Shampoo. What's different about this? One, it's big. My shipping rates went way up. This is 1 liter. But this is a dirt dissolving formulation. What does that mean? It helps bring the dirt up off the surface so it's easy to wash away or rinse away. This is good for paint, glass. You can use it on your rims. When I'm using this product, if I'm putting it in a foam gun, foam cannon, or my wash bucket, I'm doing a 1-to-30 dilution. So really what that means is about 4 ounces for every gallon. When I'm putting in my foam gun or my foam cannon, I do like to step it up a little bit and still put 4 ounces in there, even though those aren't gallon sizes. Now, to wash, we included this wash mitt, this double-sided wash mitt. Last month, we gave you the ones with what I call like these dreadlocks, these fibers, to let you try out. This month, I want to give you options to see what works best for you. So this side still has the dreadlocks. This side has a smaller microfiber pile. To separate the two, there's a little mesh cloth here, so be careful. Don't push that mesh cloth too hard on your paint surface. You could do a little bit of marring. Marring means light scratching. What is really great about this wash mitt is if you look on the inside, it has this plastic liner. So for someone like me that's in Chicago and that goes through all seasons in 1 month, if it's really cold out and I'm doing mobile detailing or washing outside my garage, this plastic liner, when I'm dipping it into my wash bucket, is going to keep my hand drier for longer. Then I'm not going to get as cold and I'm not complaining about my fingertips freezing. So overlooked a lot, but I think this is the most important part of this wash mitt, is this liner in there. So we're going to clean our rims first, boom. Then we're going to do our wash process using our SONAX Actifoam and our wash mitt. And we're going to dry the vehicle off, and we're going to get to our next step of protection. Okay, now we're almost ready to apply the protection to the paint surface. This month we have from Ethos Car Care Pro Ceramic Wax. Before we talk about this and applying it, we want to make sure that our surface is clean and free from any previous waxes, sealants, or oils. Now, I'm not trying to complicate this for you. You don't have to think about doing a whole paint correction process before you apply this. This product is made for easy at-home use for the DIYer or for the professional. So, paint's clean, washed, we went through those steps. It's not rough to the touch. I don't have to think about clay barring it. I have no contaminants that I can feel. But what I will do is use a prep spray to help remove any of the previous oils that might be on the paint surface. Really easy to do. Prep spray, isopropanol alcohol. If you do buy isopropanol alcohol, dilute it 70 to 30. But you could buy it pre-diluted. Take a towel, pull in fours, you have your quarter, pop out. Working on just this one panel. I'll go and just wipe it down. Super simple. That whole panel, make sure I have all those oils off of there. Flip the towel. That's it. It's the prep process, prep spray, easy to do. Now, let's get into talking about the Pro Ceramic Wax. This product here is going to give you about 12 to 18 months of protection. Crazy, I know. Wax typically gives you about 3 to 6 months. Sealant, 12 to 18 months. Ceramic coating, 12 to 6 years on average. You know, there's claims out there that ceramic coating lasts a lifetime. I don't really fall for that. But anyways, the Pro Ceramic Wax, very easy to apply. Clean, shines, and protects. So what does that mean? It's going to help clean the surface. It's going to add depth to your paint, and it's also going to give you that 12 to 18 months of protection that we talked about. Now, take your applicator pad that's included, shake this product up really well. A lot goes a long way. One little dime-sized drop, that's it. Let's work this panel. Once I feel my applicator pad start catching, then I'll add one more dime size. I like to go back and forth motions and then up and down, just ensuring that I got everything on that surface. See I feel it start dragging a little. One little drop. This bottle right here will probably do 3 of these freaking Broncos. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. Same, back and forth, up and down. That easy. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes, depending on where you're working. I'm out of the elements. It's 70 degrees in here. If you're in your garage or something is very humid, watch the product. If it starts hazing up really quickly, phone call. You're gonna have to remove it faster. So I just keep an eye on it. I personally like to do one panel at a time, wipe it off, go to the next panel because you can see it haze. So 10 to 15 minutes typically, and then you can wipe it off. Or if you're like me, work one panel at a time, watch for it to haze, and then remove it. To remove it, we're gonna use from Autofiber our double flip towel. Great towel. This teaches good habits. You've seen me with the other towel, fold that into 4 quarters, so I know one side flips the other side, then I have all these other clean areas on that towel to use. This one, they already did the thinking for you. It has the seam in here, so you have one side, 2 sides. It doesn't come apart. You can flip it inside out, double flip, 3, 4. Simple. Now I'm just gonna take my towel, wipe it off. Ooh, you can feel it. Super slick. That's it. Easy. And just like that, your vehicle's protected. That concludes this episode of Detail Matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up below. And if you have any detailing related questions, comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that alert icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy detailing.